Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak louder. Can you
Yes,
speak
ma'am.
English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am, but not fluent, ma'am.
As long as you can communicate, you can talk in English, you can understand English, is we don't have any problem. If you
Yes,
really
ma'am.
don't know how to communicate, then better stay in the Philippines because there is no point that you cannot understand the employer later on problem. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, so remind yourself, as I have mentioned many times, you came here, you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends. Okay, and don't compare each other's employer also once you reach here in Malaysia. Yeah?
I understand.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am, second.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because I heard Malaysia is good for W.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself?
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Gina May Imbansag. I am 26 years old. I live in San Ignacio, Manay, Davao Oriental, Philippines. My birthday is on January 17, 1999. I have two sons. Their age is 10 years old and 3 years old. I am a single mother. I've been work in uh, housemaid in Davao City. I am a nanny, the newborn baby, and I am a sales lady. And also I am work in Saudi Arabia for 6 months. 6 months.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience. Yeah? So what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2". My weight is 6'8", ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am a high school graduated, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned that you got two kids and you are a single mother, which is 10 years old and 3 years old. Who will going to take care of them later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My two son, take care my mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is 55 years old and she is a housewife only, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have five brothers and one sister. I am four.
You are the fourth. So is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your father?
My father is 58 years old and he is farmer.
Okay, so according to your profile, you have a working experience, as you have mentioned a while ago also. You have a working experience in Davao as a nanny for 1 year, way back 2017 to 2018. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You take care of a newborn baby. While taking care of this newborn baby, did you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
No, in your previous employer in Davao, did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing while taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a stay-in maid there?
I am staying, ma'am.
So after that, you have a working experience in KSA way back September 2024 to March 2025, and you work for 6 months only. Are you the one terminate your contract?
I back here in Philippines, ma'am.
What
Bec-
happened? Why you didn't finish your contract?
I will not finish my contract, ma'am, because I am overworked and not enough food.
What kind of
over
overwork? What kind of overwork? What time you wake up and what time did you finish your work?
I wake up in 5 a.m. and finish 12 midnight.
Midnight. And employer didn't give you enough food.
Yes,
Usually,
ma'am.
what do you eat to your previous employer?
I buy my own food, ma'am.
Employer didn't provide your foods, is it?
Yes, ma'am. My employers not give me my food.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
My work is KSE, ma'am, is I have two baby. Their age is 3 years old and 2 years old. I ironing and cleaning house.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you take care of two kids, which is 3 and 4 years old, right?
Ma'am.
Okay, so it's not new for you being an OFW because you already got a working experience, okay? So you need to be
Yes,
flexible and you need to be multitasking. But I would like to let you know also the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is quite big and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can take a baby.
Can you take your elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you were going to sign a 2 years contract and you're gonna simply say you wanted to terminate your contract because you are overworked and not enough food here in Malaysia. As long as employer didn't abuse you, give you food, didn't maltreat you, then you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore and you miss your children. No such a thing. Because
Yes, ma'am.
any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
You agree.
Yes, ma'am.
If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. So you better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I will distract myself to listening music and I will call my family after my work done, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problem or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.